In this video, I will show you how to transfer funds from your PayPal account to an Apple Pay account. So let's jump straight into it. Now, currently there's no way to actually transfer funds from PayPal to Apple Pay. However, what you can do is add PayPal as a payment method to your Apple Pay device. So what I'm going to do is talk you through these steps on how to do this. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. And once that's done, what you want to do is come and press onto your name at the top of the list. Now on the next screen, what you're going to want to do is press onto payment and shipping. And finally, what you're going to want to do is add PayPal as a payment method. So you're going to see that in your list of payment methods available. So what you want to do is add that as a payment method. What it's going to do is open up a screen that's going to look similar to this, and you'll be asked to log in with your email address and password, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will need to complete that also. Once you've completed those steps, what's going to happen is PayPal will authorize iCloud access, and what you'll be able to do is use PayPal as a payment method to pay for things with Apple Pay. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.